A very good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. It is your EVS class. Yes, no, which chapter we were learning in the last class? It was lesson number 7, your teeth. We were learning about our teeth. What we learned about what the teeth does, what work it does. Yes, no, we have learned. It helps in eating the food, chewing, grinding, biting. Yes, no, everything we learned. And what it does, it helps us to speak properly, talk properly, and it gives a proper shape to our teeth. This is all we have learned. And next, what we learned, it is that a teeth is of two sets. It's no, one is milk teeth and another one is permanent teeth. Milk teeth, it starts from the 6 to 7 months, and until we reach 3 years, we will be having 20 teeth. And after 2 to 3 years, that is like by 5 to 6 years, it starts falling down. Permanent teeth pushes the milk teeth down, it starts falling down. So again, the permanent teeth will get, by the age we reach 12 to 13 years, we will be having 28 teeth, permanent teeth. Yes, no. And after that, in the age of 17 to 21, you will be having another 4 teeth. It is called as wisdom teeth. So now totally you will be having 32 teeth. When you grow to an adult, when you are an adult, you will be having 32 teeth. Okay, this is what we learned in the last class. Yes, no. You all can remember, right? Now what you all will do, those who have the textbook, open your textbook. Those who don't have, open your rough notebook, take your pencil and sit. Okay, what you will do in your rough notebook? What you will do, which I write on the board, which is important thing. If I tell you to note down, you have to write down in your rough notebook. Yes, no? And those who are having the textbook, you have to underline that. Now, in this class, what we are going to learn in the teeth. It is structure of tooth. We are going to learn about structure of tooth. Tooth is the singular form of teeth. Yes, no, tooth means only one tooth. More than two. Yes, no, more, that is more than one. Two or more is called as teeth, plural. Tooth, teeth. Yes, no, we are going to learn about tooth here. See, let us now learn what a tooth really is. See, now we are going to learn about a teeth, that is our tooth, what it is. Look at your teeth in a mirror. What do you see? Once you look at your teeth in your mirror, what you can see? The part of the tooth you can see. The parts of the teeth, the parts of the tooth you can see, which is not covered by the gum, is called the crown. This white color teeth you are having, no, that is called as crown. It is not covered by the gum. After the teeth, we can see gums. Yes, no, we can see gums. Yes, and the part of the teeth, white color part, which is not covered by the gum, is called as crown. Crown, C-R-O-W-N. Those who are copied down in the textbook, you have this, you can just underline crown. And next is enamel. I'll explain this, okay? Next is enamel, and next is dentine, and next is the pulp. And next, the pinkish red part is there. No, it is called as gum. Okay. See here, just I'll draw the picture of tooth. Okay, this is the structure of our teeth. What we can see here, this is the enamel. This is enamel, and next part is dentine, and next inside it is pulp, and this is the gum, and this totally upper part is crown. This upper part, what it is, the teeth we see. Your teeth, it is white color, right? It is white color. This teeth, what we can see, it is crown. Okay, the part of the teeth, what we can see is crown. Inside that, the crown of each tooth is covered with enamel. The crown part of the teeth is covered by enamel. The crown part of the tooth is covered by enamel. Okay, this white color is there. No, it is enamel. Enamel is very tough substance, and it protects the inside of the tooth. It is very tough, it is very hard, and it protects the inside parts of the tooth. Okay, enamel, it protects the inside part of the tooth. The part beneath the enamel is called dentine. The part of inside the enamel, another one part is there, it is dentine. In your textbook it is there, the picture. Those who don't have, you can see here. Okay, and here you will be having all nerves. Okay, this whole white color part, what we can see is crown. Yes, no? And the gum, you all know, here we'll be having gum, pinkish, right? That is gum. And this crown, this white color teeth, white color tooth, it is covered by enamel. This enamel is very hard substance. It is very tough substance, so that it protects the inside parts of the tooth. Because it is very hard, it protects what? Inside parts of the tooth, it protects. It is dentine, pulp, everything, it protects. And inside the enamel, it is dentine. The next part, inside part of the enamel is dentine. It is a hard substance that makes up the largest part of the tooth. It is also a hard substance. It is a hard substance. It makes up the largest part of the tooth. It makes the largest part of the tooth. Okay, this part, it is covered by the crown, and that crown is covered by enamel. And it protects the innermost part of the tooth called the pulp. And this dentine, it protects the innermost part. Again, inside the dentine, it is another one more part. It is pulp. This dentine, it protects the pulp. Okay, this enamel, it protects, it is tough substance, and it protects the dentine. Inside dentine, again, it is the another one part, it is pulp. This pulp is protected by the dentine. Okay, the pulp is where there are nerve endings and blood vessels. See here in this part, we can see blood vessels and nerve endings, nerves. Even nerves, it is attached to our teeth, right? Nerves are attached to our teeth. And in this pulp, we'll be having blood vessels also. You can observe, if you get hurt in your teeth, you'll get blood, right? From where you are getting? From the blood vessels itself, because these nerves, blood vessels are present in our teeth also. So if we get hurt, we can see a blood coming out. Yes, no? If you got any cut here somewhere in your hand or your face, anywhere, you will get blood coming out. Yes, no? The same in your teeth also. If you get any hurt, or if your teeth has fallen down, you will get blood, right? Because of this blood vessels present in the pulp. Okay, nerves and blood vessels present in the pulp. Because of this, we are getting the blood. The blood is circulating here. Blood is also supplied to the teeth also. The nerve endings inside the pulp send messages to the brain about what you are eating. See these nerve endings, the nerves. We are having nerves in the teeth also, no? These nerves, what it does, it sends the message to the brain, it seems. It sends the message to the brain. Yes, no, we'll feel. Yes, no, we'll think what we are eating. Yes, no, the taste, everything. How? By the brain only we are feeling. Yes, no, if you want to eat, if you want to bite means what? The brain is telling us to bite. The brain is telling us to chew. Yes, no, brain is suggesting us what to do. This nerves, it is telling it is sending the message to the brain. It is asking the brain what to do. The brain is again telling the nerves to do this, to eat, to bite, to chew. Okay? The blood vessels supply blood to the tooth to keep it alive and healthy. The blood vessels, what it does, it supplies the blood to the tooth. It supplies the blood to the tooth to keep the tooth healthy and alive. Even our teeth also need blood. Yes, no? This blood vessels supplies the blood to keep the tooth alive and healthy. The pulp goes down into the root of the tooth, which is under the gum. The pulp here goes down into the root of the tooth. The pulp goes down into the root of the tooth, which is under the gum. Which is under the gum. Yes, no, under the gums also we are having little bit tooth. This pulp part, it goes down inside the root, which is under the gum. The root holds the tooth firmly in place. These roots helps the tooth to hold it firmly in one place. It helps the tooth to hold firmly in one place. Now, open your mouth wide and look at the teeth in front and at the back of the mouth in a mirror. What do you notice? Now, open your mouth wide. Open your mouth big, wide, and see in the mirror, front and back side of your teeth. You just once you look into the mirror, what you can see. Yes, no, you can see teeth, enamel, it means enamel, everything you can't see. It will be inside the teeth, okay? The crown part, gum part, and inside the gum. We can just see the nerves also. Okay, we can see the nerves also in the tongue also. Everywhere we will be having nerves, blood vessels. Yes, no? This we can observe. And next is types of teeth. Next is the types of teeth. This was what we learned. It is structure of tooth, right? The uppermost part, the white color part of the tooth, what we see, it is the crown. That crown is covered by enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. E-N-A-M-E-L. It is E, okay? Small E I had written. Don't think C. It is E, enamel. E-N-A-M-E-L. This enamel is covered on the crown. Inside the enamel, it is again one another part. It is dentine. Inside dentine, it is pulp. Okay, this pulp is having nerves and blood vessels. Through the blood vessels, our teeth is getting blood. The blood vessels are supplying the blood to the tooth, and the nerves, it is sending the message to the brain, what we are eating, what we are doing. Yes, no? Everything. This is the structure of the tooth, and the pink color part is called as gum. You all know. Right? This was the structure of the tooth. Now next, what we are going to learn is types of teeth. Types of teeth. All the teeth in your mouth, it is same. It is equal? No. Yes, no. Each teeth, it is different from another teeth. Each teeth is different from another teeth. We are going to learn about types of teeth. You all know we have 4 types of teeth. We all have 4 types of teeth. 4 types of teeth. You can observe. See, what are those? Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. These are the 4 types of teeth. You may think, what is this? Ma'am told first 2 sets of teeth. It was milk teeth, permanent teeth. Okay. By the age we reach 17 to 21 years, by the time we are adult, we'll be having 32 teeth. Okay, this is all over. And next was structure of tooth. Okay, we are having parts of tooth. Inside the tooth, we are having all the parts of tooth. Okay. Now, what is this types of teeth? Yes, no, you all may think, what is this types of teeth? What is this? See, once you see your teeth, all teeth, it is same? No. Each teeth, it is different. Front teeth, it is different. Sides, it is different. Inside, it is different. Here, inside your mouth, the last edges, it is different. Yes, no? You can see, no? It is all different. See here, in this, which are the teeth? It is, we are going to learn, okay? You notice that all the teeth in your mouth do not look alike. Yes, no? In our mouth, all the teeth do not look alike. What are the different types of teeth you have? What are the different types of teeth you have? Yes, inside our mouth, the teeth, it is not same. There are different kinds. What are the different kinds of teeth called? What it is? See, now let's learn all about them. Your mouth has 4 different types of teeth. Our mouth has 4 different types of teeth. What it is? It is first one, incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay. First one, the 2 front teeth and the 2 on either side of them are incisors. The front 2 teeth and 2 either side. Okay, it is incisors. You have 4 incisors at the top and the 4 at the bottom. See, first 2. Yes, no? You can see in your teeth, the first 2 teeth and next to that, totally 4 teeth in front, upper 4 teeth, bottom 4 teeth. Yes, no? 4, 8 teeth is incisors. 8 teeth, it is incisors. Okay? 8. You have 4 incisors at the top and the 4 at the bottom. Incisors are chisel shaped. They help you cut, chop and slice food. These incisors, how it is? It is in chisel shape. It is like this. Is no? It is like this. This chisel shaped teeth helps us to cut the food, bite and chop the food. Okay? Cut is nothing but chop. Slice is also nothing but chop. Cut only is no. To cut the food, it helps this incisors. How many are there? It is 8. In the front side, in the front, top 4 teeth, bottom 4 teeth. They are called as incisors, 8 teeth. Okay? When you bite into an apple, you use your incisor. Yes, no? When you bite your apple, when you bite any fruits, or if you bite any chocolate, yes, no? What you will use? You use your incisor, the front teeth you will use to bite. Okay? These are incisors. How many it is? 8. Next is the pointed canines. The next teeth is canines. Canines next to the incisors we can see. There are 4 of them. 2 upper side and 2 down, 2 bottom side. Which are those? Front 4 teeth, up 4, down 4, it is incisors. Yes, no? Next to that, exactly next to that, this side 1, left side 1, right side 1, bottom left side 1, right side 1. Totally 4 teeth, the corner teeth. It is canines, and you can see it is like a sharp edge. It has sharp edge. It is 4, and this teeth is somewhat like this. Yes, no? It is sharp edge to tear the food. They help you to tear the food. They help to tear the food. Okay. This incisors help us to bite the food, and canines helps us to tear the food. Now you all got to know which are the incisors and which are the canines. Starting 4 teeth. Yes, no, starting 4 teeth. In middle 4 teeth. Upper side 4 teeth. Bottom side 4 teeth. 8 teeth are incisors. And next to that are upper left side, upper right side 1 each. And bottom left side, bottom right side 1 each are the canines. This canines helps to tear the food. Okay, this is what about incisors and canines. Premolars and molars I'll explain in the next class. Now this is enough. Remember, structure of tooth we have learned, and the types of teeth. It is 4 types of teeth. In the 2 types, which are those we have learned, and another 2 we are going to learn in the next class. Okay, I'll stop the class here. Once you remember everything, recall everything what I am teaching. I am going slowly only, no more. Okay, it is not more, it is little bit only. Learn properly. Those who have written in your off notebook, write down and learn. Okay, and start writing your classwork also. This chapter, start writing till here. It should be completed. You can complete remaining also. Another 1 class will be there. We can complete the explanation. Before that, you can complete this notes, this chapter notes. Okay. Thank you, students.